Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. This installation guide will walk you through the steps of installing an Arnott compressor for the Audi Q7 4L, the Porsche Cayenne 9PA, and the Volkswagen Touareg 7L. Let's get started. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. First, set the steering to straight ahead and raise the vehicle. Then remove the protective shroud on the right side to access the compressor. Remove the two cable ties holding the connector wires. Now, disconnect the three electrical connectors to the compressor. Also, disconnect the compressor vent hose by depressing the collar while pulling the hose. Disconnect the lines from the air valve block. The black line, indicated with P, does not have to be disconnected. Your compressor may not have a brown line as shown in the first image. If the brown line is not present, just disconnect the other lines indicated and proceed to the next step. If a brown line is present, please contact Arnott to exchange your P3298 compressor for the newer model P3304 compressor, as P3298 does not have a tire inflation port. P3304 does have the tire inflation port to support the brown line. Now, remove the three mounting bolts that secure the compressor to the vehicle. Disconnect the line from the compressor dryer by depressing the collar while pulling on the hose. This line is identified as P on the air valve block. The line does not need to be disconnected at the air valve block. The removal is now complete. Install the new air suspension compressor in the reverse order of removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. Inspect the air springs for any type of cracks or excessive wear. Leaking air springs will cause the compressor to overheat from continuous operation. Thank you for following our guide on installing an Arnott compressor. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.